Guys, I'm super excited to be reviewing the latest studio lights from COLBOR. Now, these are the CL60s, and right off the bat, I'm going to say that these are mighty impressive. So stick around to find out why, and I'll be back in just a few seconds. What's up YouTube, Dave here with Seeing Through a Lens, and thanks for stopping by the channel. We make lifestyle videos and all things tech, so if that's your kind of thing, then please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on that bell icon so you can be notified of new videos. So guys, these are the CL60 studio lights from COLBOR. Now, if you don't know COLBOR, well, these guys make professional studio lights. Now, I've been an Aputure light user for many years now. I've got a couple of 120D, some pocket lights, I've got the Light Dome 2 and the Lantern. And you know what? They are great pieces of kit, but they are crazy expensive. So when COLBOR reached out to me and asked me to review their new CL60s, I was dead excited. As you know how it is, guys, you can never have too many studio lights. But, and it's a big but, remember guys, if I review anything, and I do review a lot of tech, whether I'm sent it or whether I buy it myself, you're always going to get an honest review from me, good, bad or indifferent. So let's take a look in the box and see what we have. First off guys, in the box we've got a carry bag, which is kind of neat because you can fit all of the light stuff that's there and probably a camera lens and a couple of other bits and pieces all in that bag. So that is pretty neat. Open it up and we have this tiny little compartment with a carry strap. So that's nice. We also have a user manual, a Bowens mouth reflector, a Bowens mount adapter so we can attach other accessories like a dome or a lantern or barn doors or something like that. We also have a light base, which is kind of neat. It's all made out of metal like aluminium, and it slides onto the light with a kind of friction grip, and the other end can be mounted on something like a light stand, so pretty neat. We've also got the power adapter, which has a USB-C plug on it, which is kind of interesting, as you know what guys, you can actually power this light with a PD power bank, so you can kind of make it ultra portable, and that is pretty neat. Now guys, to the light itself. Well, the CL60 is a 65 watt bi-color COB LED studio light. Bit of a mouthful, right? But what does all that mean? Well, if you're really interested, COB means chip on board, and that refers to mounting a bare LED chip in direct contact with a substrate such as a silicon carbide or sapphire to produce LED light arrays. Okay, sounds good, right? COB lights have a number of advantages over older LED technologies such as surface mounted device SMD LEDs or dual inline package DIP LEDs. So there you go. Any the wiser? Probably not. Trust me guys, this is more modern and a better way to produce light, and that is probably the best description to tell you. Now, this CL60 is made mostly from aluminium and it's very small and light. It's got a cool rail which allows you to slide on the mount or different mounts. This is the light, by the way guys, it's tiny, right? Tiny. And it also allows you to kind of slide lights together, so you can actually slide, like, because you've got this bit here and you've got the indent, where you on the other one you slide this into there, and you know what guys, you can create a very powerful, I think it's like up to, I think you can have like 10 slid in, so you can have like 650 odd watts of power. I mean, that's like turning night into day, right? But yes, that's pretty neat. And not only can you slide these lights together, you can also program them to work together. And you know what? There's a smartphone app to make all of that easier. So pairing up was easy. Just download the COLBOR app, set up your lights. You can use these individually, or like I said, you can use them in groups and power them all up and get them to do stuff together. And pretty much all the features of the lights can be accessed via the app, and you can even power them on or off, so that's really nice. Color temperature, guys, is 2700 to 6500 Kelvin, and the CRI index, or the color rendering index, is 97 plus. So pretty impressive specs. And now for another interesting spec. I paid around £800 for my Aputure 120D. This COLBOR CL60 will cost you around £140. I mean, that's insane given the features and the build quality. Also, within this CL60 you've got 10 lighting effects. They're not my thing, but they're there if you want them. You've got various different flashes and, you know, it going through the color temperatures and, you know, all sorts of different types of things. I mean, you know, it's pretty cool if that's your kind of thing. And these runs especially cool, right? I had these going at full brightness for like about half an hour, and it was cool to the touch. They did not get hot, and they're super quiet. They've got smart fans or quiet fans, so you can choose in the menu settings whether you want the smart fans to just kind of, you know, rev them up, slow them down when they need it, or you can just put it on quiet, and you know what? It's quiet. So guys, there you have it. These are very good and I love them. This is a protector, by the way. Like I said, they are really small, really powerful. You know, you've got all of your controls on the back. You've got your effects controls, your CCT controls. You've got sliders that you can slide up to change the color temperature or the brightness or the brightness. You can go up in increments of 1, or you can kind of go up and down in multiple increments. You know what? It's really, really nice. They're light, strong, and you know what? I really like them. And you know what? So will you. And I can tell you now, you know, there are a ton of different features and functions enabling you to get super creative. I mean, to be fair, I'd wish that I'd seen these before I purchased the Aputure 120Ds, but now I have them. They will be getting used every single day. And you know what? I've even fixed my Aputure lantern to one of them. Oh, and don't forget, you can use these with that, you know, USB-C PD power bank, again, making them very, very portable. And yeah, reminder on that price, guys, around £140. That is unbelievable value for money. I will leave any product links, any discount codes in the description. Thanks to you guys for watching, and thanks for COLBOR for sending me these very, very cool, and they are cool in lots of many ways, CL60s. And guys, if you have any comments or questions, you want to know more about the features and functions, let me know that in the comments section. And if you like the video, please consider subscribing to the channel and clicking on the bell icon to be notified of new videos. Guys, I'm Dave with Seeing Through a Lens, and I will see you the next time. Bye for now.